Good morning, friends. I've just stepped outside of my door to come and explore. And I have to tell you, it's one of my favorite kind of days. Last night, the rains were falling, and so this morning the air is extra fresh. Can you guys take a deep breath in and out? Let's try. Now, if you're not outside, try it again outside and do a few more. I can feel how clean it is inside my body coming into my lungs. It's also my favorite kind of time of the day because it's the morning and those birds I mentioned are chirping. I spy something beautiful up ahead and I want to show you, friends. Right behind me, I wonder if you know what kind of tree this is. And the reason I'm asking is because I've always wondered, are birds attracted to bright colors? Friends, I found something. As I was looking around, I noticed one of my neighbors put something awesome up in the tree behind me. See if I can show you. Now, there's two of them, and they aren't nests, but they will attract birds. I wonder if they're drawing in different types of birds. They're both very different looking. One's kind of a long sort of cylinder shape, and one's got a square and a weird little flap below. Any guesses what kind of birds might be drawn to that? I'm gonna pay attention. I wonder if a robin would come and visit those birdhouses. Could you imagine a woodpecker visiting? How about a big, large, red-tailed hawk? No, I can't imagine it choosing bird food. It likes to eat something bigger. What about our friend the big heron? Would a large bird like that find birdhouses up in the tree? Oh, a mallard duck. What do you think, friends? Would the duck find its way up to those birdhouses? I wonder about our friends the chickadees. Before I say goodbye, it's time to find a sit spot. So I want you, friends, to go outside, if you aren't already, and find somewhere cozy. I found this nice tree to lean on. And for sit spot today, I want you to imagine that you are a bird. I wonder what bird you'll be. And you can imagine if you are choosing to be up tall in a tree, maybe you're perched up there, maybe your nest is up there. And I want you to imagine your feathers on your body. I want to imagine, what can you see from way up high? Do you see small people below you? Do you see houses? Are you aware of the little insects that might be crawling on the branches? What do you feel? Do you feel warm, or are there raindrops falling on your feathers? Do you feel the sun shining over you? What do you hear? Do you hear other birds calling you? Or is it quiet? I wonder what kind of bird you were. Maybe you can tell your parent what kind of bird you were pretending to be and where you were living. Until next time.